Hello and welcome back to the Docker course of Code Maven. My name is Gabor Sabo and the slides are in this location as you're probably already used to, and we are jumping ahead specifically to the slide about Docker registry. So Docker registry is there's various Docker registries, and Docker registry in general is a place where people can upload their Docker images so others can use those Docker images. There are the public repositories, and the main one is the Docker Hub. We'll take a look at it in a second. And there are also registries for the major cloud hosting companies. So there is at least for Google Cloud and Amazon, but I'm sure for many other companies they have their own registry. So if you in these registries, for let's take a look at the Docker Hub registry, you can search for various images that were created by Docker Hub or by some other people. So for example, you can use one for MongoDB, okay, and then there's an image here, and then you can download it and use it, and you don't have to worry yourself how to exactly configure a Docker image that has MongoDB inside and running and properly configured. The same way, let's see, WordPress. I don't know if there is one, but yes, of course. So there is a Docker image that can run Docker WordPress for you, so you don't have to worry about installation mechanism and how to configure it, and you can constantly easy and relatively easily update the versions. Of course, you can also create your own. You can create an account in this on this website, and you can upload your own images. And I think as long as these are public images, then you don't have to pay. And then you can also have, I think, one private image that only you can use or people you give access to. And for some money, monthly payment, you can get more space and use more, create more of these images. So basically, the idea would be that you create some image, you upload to the Docker Hub, and then later on you on your production server or other developers in your team can use this Docker image, or other people in general. Of course, this Docker Hub is like for the general use, but if you are using one of the cloud providers, then it would be better to use the 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 Docker registry of that provider. So, for example, Google Cloud has its own, and Amazon AWS, and so on. And finally, if you're not if neither of these are good choices for you, because let's say you everything you'd like to have it's in-house, then you can deploy your own registry. So there's this link, and then you can follow this link, and then you can find how to create your own registry, which can be on-premise in your company, and then you don't have to upload any of the images to some public server. So that's it about registries. We're going to see them later on. Here the slide. We're going to see them later on as we're going to use images from there. I mean, all the images that you're using are based on some image that's in the Docker Hub. And that's it for now. And as you can see here at the top right, the next video is going to be about the first time we're actually using Docker, and we're going to have the hello world of Dockers. So thank you for watching, and keep on. Bye bye.